How to add music bot to Discord server. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So let's just get started. What you can do is open up a Discord, discord.com, and once you are here, you can go over to one of the servers where you would like to add the bot to. For example, I have this server right here. Once you are here, look for your server name at the top. Click on it, expand the menu, and look out for the option called app directory from the menu and open it up. Now here what you can do is directly search for Discord bot here. So one of the bot is green bot. You can just go ahead and search for it and look out for this bot right here. So head over to the bot and you can look out for this add app option. Go ahead and click on it and you can start the verification process and authorization process and complete it. Scroll down, select the server where you would like to add it here, click on continue, and you can confirm everything. After that, click on authorize and authorize yourself and add that bot. Now you can go to your server right here and you will be finding your server. Now what you need to do next is go to their channel. So where the bot is added. For example, I have added this bot. Now here you can just go ahead and type in /play. And once you do so, you can select play music and type in the music that you would like to add. And once that is done, it will send the command and the music should start playing on your screen. So you can type in the correct prompt and command, and that way the music will be played and the music bot will be added to a Discord server. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.